Um, Today, Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has taken a very landmark decision by appointing a commission to look after the issue of one nation, one election. I am glad and I am very happy that a person of the stature like Sri Ramnath Kovindji has taken the decision, or he has accepted the offer of the Prime Minister. Now this commission will definitely look after the issue of one nation, one election, because multiple election involve lots of money, and because every time India is in election mode, development suffered a lot. Every time there is an election, either Panchayat, either urban election, assembly, MP, so India's development is suffering for that. Prime Minister Modi has correctly realized, and he is advocating that one nation, one election will take India into a different level. Expenditure will reduce, development will be throughout the 5 years, and our country will become Vishwaguru if we can proceed that way. So I think this commission is a gift to the nation by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in Amritkal, and I hope that according to the recommendation of this commission, Parliament and Prime Minister will take appropriate decision. On behalf of the people of Assam, I'd like to compliment Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi for taking a bold step towards one nation, one election policy. And I would also like to congratulate and offer my best wishes to Sri Ramnath Kovindji for his new assignment.